'Cause if I do, I see you looking like the chorus of a country song, with the t-shirt tied up and ball cap on, and us so in love in the bed of my truck underneath the stars, wrapped up in my arms, said he's stealing my heart, but it always ends with you walking away. I don't feel like going there today. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. So this is Blaze Guitar Lessons. This is a great song. This one wasn't requested. I know there are some requests, so I'll get to them soon, but I heard this one and I really like it, so I want to teach it to you. This is a super simple and easy song. There's only 3 chords. The chord progression isn't exactly the same throughout the song, so I'll show you how you play it in the intro, how you play it in the verse and the chorus, and I'll show you where exactly you play the chords with like each lyric and everything. So let me know if you have any questions or other songs you want to learn in the comments. I'll get to them as soon as I can. And please hit like and subscribe. All right, here we go. So the 3 chords for the song are actually just C, F, and G. I do this G, you could do this one, but I do this one for this song. It's just easy. All right. So those are the 3 chords you're going to know for this song. Now for the intro, you're only going to do C and F. So you're just going to do down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay? You could do that strumming the whole time. If you really want it to be easy, you could just do alternating down, up, the whole song. You could do that. F. It won't sound quite as good, but if you're like a newbie and you want something super easy, this is a great way to do it. So you're just going to do C and F like that. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. This is the intro. F. Stay on F. You go to C. I sure could go. So C you do on I sure. I sure could go for a cup of black coffee. Then you do, they serve is F. They serve the best down at that corner cafe. It'll have is G. Have to wait, 'cause truth is I don't feel is F. Feel like going there today. Today is C. Day. Getting the second verse, you just stay on C. I know that back pasture fence needs fixing. The horses is F. Horses go out on the neighbor's place. You do, but it'll have, okay, that's where you do G. It'll have to wait, 'cause truth is I don't feel. So feel is F. Feel like going there today. And today is C. Okay. Now for the verse, you're gonna play it softer, or you could even just play the bottom 3 strings. Okay, the G, B, and E. Just like that. Maybe play the D one too. But then when you get to the chorus, you're gonna do, 'cause if I do, and on do you're gonna start playing F. 'Cause if I do, I see you looking is C. Looking like the chorus of a country song, with your t-shirt tied up and ball cap on, and us. So far you've done F, C, and now you're back on F on us. And us, so in love, in the bed. Okay, bed is C. Bed on my truck underneath the stars, wrapped up in my arms, daddy's stealing my heart. It'll always, okay, but it'll always, so you, but it always, and then you say but it really quick, and then always is G. Always ends with you walking away. Away is F. Way. I don't feel like going there today. and on today you're gonna do a C. Okay, today you'll soften it a lot in the C. And then you just stay on that for the next verse. Okay, the next chorus is the same. So then after that next chorus, because there's like not really a bridge. I mean, there's kind of like just an instrumental part. So you're just gonna play the intro again. So you're just gonna do C with no lyrics and stuff. I would actually probably play this part like the loudest, or some of it. You just do C, F, and you can play that part twice if you want, or once. I mean, if you're just playing by yourself, I'd probably just do it once. And then you're gonna go into that last chorus, and you're gonna play this part softer. 'Cause if I do, I see you looking, and then on looking is where I'd get loud. Looking like the chorus of a country song, with your t-shirt tied up and ball cap on, and us. Okay, so then when you play through the last chorus, at the end you're just gonna do soft C. That's what I would do. Just end it like that. So I play the song. Let me know if you guys have any questions or anything. Thanks for watching. Bye.